Want to take your cooking style to a unique and new level? Now you can make your dream dishes come true using the Pacojet. From appetizers to desserts, for sweet and savory dishes alike, Pacojet has established itself as an innovative and essential food preparation device in more than 15,000 restaurants and hotels worldwide with thousands of recipes. Today, we're going to show you how to make Snickers ice cream using the Pacojet. The production of Snickers ice cream with Pacojet illustrates the simple three-step procedure that's basic to all their frozen applications. The required ingredients for 1 liter of Snickers ice cream are 120 grams of Snickers, 300 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, preferably 35%, 4 egg yolks, and 70 grams of sugar. Step 1. Filling the beaker. Pour 3 soup spoons of milk into the beaker. Cut off small pieces of the Snickers bar and place them upright in a circle inside the steel beaker and freeze. In the meantime, heat the milk and heavy cream at a low temperature. Separate the egg yolk and mix it with the sugar. Add the mixture to the warm milk and heat until it thickens and it coats the back of a spoon. Remove from the heat and let it cool down. Now add the cool mixture to the Snickers in the beaker. Step 2. Freezing. Ensure the surface is level, then freeze at minus 22 degrees Celsius for 24 hours in a commercial freezer, or in a shock or blast freezer, this will require only 4 hours time. Step 3. Pacotize. In combination with the splash guard, attach the Pacotizing blade to the machine. Then place the frozen steel beaker containing the ice cream into the outer plastic beaker and attach it to the machine. Turn the handle to the front as far as it will go. Then select the desired number of portions you would like and press start. The high-precision Pacojet blade spins at 2,000 RPMs while the heavy-duty pump pressurizes the beaker. The blade will shave off a micro-thin layer off the top of the frozen food, resulting in an ultra-smooth texture and mouth-watering flavor. The machine will automatically process the portion selected and turn itself off. Remove the beaker by turning the handle to the right, and your Snickers ice cream is ready to serve. The unused beaker contents remain frozen solid to be used later at your own convenience. The Pacojet is a revolutionary concept for producing top-quality product with minimum effort, and it's one of the most innovative food preparation appliances to appear in the market in the last 10 years. Other accessories are available, such as the Pacojet Coupe set, which expands its application range to processing fresh, non-frozen foods in various styles such as meat, herbs, vegetables, fruits, eggs, and cream. Developed in collaboration with a renowned worldwide chef and manufactured in Switzerland. To find out more about this product and to get some more recipes, visit www.omcan.com or visit www.pacojetcanada.com.